if a relation R on the set 1 2 3 be defined by R is equal to 1 comma 2, check whether R is transitive or not. So we have to check either R is transitive or not in this case. So first of all we must know about the transitivity. So what is transitive function? So it is a type of relation, sorry, not function, it is a type of relation, transitive. A relation is transitive, so we have a condition that a relation is transitive. So that a function is transitive. So first of all we know about this transitive function. A function is transitive when it is transitive. A relation is transitive. Suppose, let me explain these things to you. A comma B belongs to R, and the second condition is B comma C. B comma C. So this is B comma C belongs to R. If these two things belongs to R, then we need to check in this condition A comma C. A comma C belongs to R or not. If A comma C belongs to R, then that function is called as transitive. Otherwise it is not transitive, right? It is 1 comma 2. If 1 comma 2 belongs to the relation, अगर 1 comma 2 relation के अंदर आता है, then we need to check is there any element start with 2 in the relation? So if you look at our question here, so our question is relation is 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is element is here. So to check the transitivity here, we need to check 1 comma 2 is here. Yes, it belongs to the relation. Then we need to check is 2 element start from 2? No, any element does not start from 2 in this relation. If you look at this, there is only a single element. So in this type of situations, if there is no element start with B, if B is here, then B, if any element do not start with B, अगर B से शुरू नहीं होता है, so in that case we conclude that that type of relation is transitive. अगर वहां पे पेयर ही नहीं बन रहा है रिलेशन का, चेक कर, अब हम लोग चेक ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, 1 comma 2 यहाँ पे है, 2 के साथ कोई एलिमेंट शुरू ही नहीं हो रहा है, in that type of special cases we come to the conclusion that this function is transitive. तो हम लोग इस फंक्शन को ट्रांजिटिव बोल देंगे विदाउट एनी चेकिंग ऑफ A comma C. सो A comma C तो हम लोग यहाँ पे चेक ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास B comma C ही अवेलेबल नहीं है. देयर इज ओनली अ सिंगल एलिमेंट अवेलेबल इन दिस रिलेशन, राइट? चेक वेदर R is transitive or not. Yes, so we can say that yes, relation is, yes, R is transitive. So this relation is transitive relation. So I hope this question is clear.